Hi, Domenica here from easysewingforbeginners.com. In this quick tutorial today, I'll be showing you how to make these emergency sewing kits with these empty mint containers, perfect for those emergency sewing repairs, or they'd make a great little gift for your non-sewing friends. Okay, I'll show you what's inside. Let's get started. Okay, so for this emergency sewing kit, I've got my empty mints container, and I'm going to be putting in an assortment of thread colours. I've got some fold-up scissors. These ones are the Fiskars brand. They're quite compact, sharp, and really convenient to use. You can also get them in the Hemline brand as well. I'm also popping in a few pins, safety pins, needle threader, needles, an assortment of spare buttons, and I've just got some rectangular pieces of cardboard to put the thread around on this one and to put the safety pins and the pins onto this one, just to keep it nice and tidy in the mint container. If you want the cutting file for these, then I'll have a link to them in the description box down below. And I've also got a sticky label to put around the outside of the tin. So I've just made up some templates, printed them onto sticky paper. Okay, if you want the template for that as well, just check out the description box. Okay, let's put this all together. Okay, so firstly I'm going to prepare the thread. So you just need maybe 2 to 3 meters or yards of thread, just a small amount to get you by in your emergency. Okay, and grab your rectangular piece of card, wind it around. Okay, on to the next colour. Right, now that the thread's all set and ready to go, I'm just going to pop one of the needle threaders in with the thread. Keep it all secure and together there. And next I'm going to add some safety pins, needles, and some pins onto this card. And you might not be able to see it, but on the cut file it's cut some little guide holes there for me. Okay, now we're ready to put it all together. Okay, so in go my buttons, scissors, got my thread and the needle threader, safety pins, pins and needles. Okay, all fits in there quite nicely. And I've cut out one of my labels. Try to stick it on straight. Okay, stuck the label down a bit lower so it doesn't get in the way of the hinge. There we go. There's the emergency sewing kit. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Leave your comments down below if you have any, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.